today's video, guys, I will be showing to you a newest and one of the hottest play to earn games in Binance Smart Chain now, which has been developed by CryptoCars team as well, and it is called CryptoPlanes. Okay, so it is game about the planes on BSC platform, and it is also part of Crypto City alongside CryptoCars. CPAN, which is the token behind CryptoPlanes, promises to bring new experiences and exciting game modes for players, uh, for players, and also for the gamers or for the investors as well. So, of course, do not forget to subscribe again to my channel. It is Crypto Addict here, back again with another awesome updates from you guys, and let's just jump right into it. Okay, so the good thing about CryptoPlanes is that you won't enjoy gas fees here, because this is gas free. That's gas free. Okay, so you won't pay any gas fee here. Also, the game modes that are going to be launched here consist of training modes, of PVC mode, PvP mode, marketplace, and you can also upgrade your plane, and also you can battle planes versus cars battle. So let's now start first on this token. Okay, so CryptoPlanes token is again CPAN. Okay, so for you to be able to get your own plane, you need at least 500 CPAN, because the marketplace price was around 500 CPAN, and also the minimum amount that you need to open a crate costs also 500 CPAN. Now, how you will be able to buy CPAN? You will just go directly here into this pool coin, and then just search for CPAN pool coin. And as you can see here, there are more than 65 million market cap currently into CryptoPlanes token. As you can see, it is now 67 million rather, and you're just going to convert. Let's say you're going to buy it via USDT. Let's just buy it via USDT, and you're going to, let's say, buy 500 CPAN. So you need at least $337 for you to start here as well. Okay, so that's how you will be able to buy CryptoPlanes. Now, how you'll be able to buy the plane? Okay, you're just going to click the play game, and then look for the plane tab over here, and then click buy new box, and you have this different rarities that you can get, classic, common, super, and rare. And if you got lucky, you got a rare, probably you can even sell it for a higher price as well. So this is a blind box. There's no guaranteed on which rarities that you will get, but it is definitely worth it, since it is still also relatively cheap as well. So for the staking, so this is the staking. So if you do not want to participate into the game, you can always buy CPAN and also stake it directly here, and you will be able to get or enjoy 200% APR via staking as well. Okay, so you'll be able to see the CPAN that you have here, and let's look forward into the website. As you can see, there are more than 54,835 players, 21,000 planes, 32,000 in-game transactions, and more than 14,200 USD gas fees saved, because this is gas free again, guys. Okay, I repeat, you do not need any gas over here. You're just going to play it, and you will be able to enjoy the profits as well, because gas fees are one of the burdens in terms of staking or in playing as well. So the minimum staking about the pools are 300 minutes. So 300 minutes is like 5 hours, and I mean 300 CPAN rather. So you need at least 300 CPAN, and also there are also 5 days lock-in period. And as you can see here, there are only limited amount of money or CPAN that are only available here. So as you can see here, there are only 2 million CPAN that are going to be available at this, and I think you should always take in mind here as well. So let's now look forward into the roadmap. So this is the roadmap of CryptoPlanes. So as you can see here, they've accomplished October 6th, which is the expansion announcement, which is the launch of CryptoPlanes. Also, they've already completed their AMA and some marketing events as well. They've also had an announcement of their staking, the whitelisting. So if you are familiar, if you are not familiar with whitelisting, it is the process wherein the only accounts that are qualified are only the ones who will be able to buy CPAN directly as well. So whitelisting is good because it prevents bots to join it. That will destroy the economy as well, because I'm just going to say that bots are one of the main antagonists on why the economy is not doing well in every projects, because they are destroying it by selling everything and then just buying back at the bottom as well. So this is everything I think that you need to learn about it. So this is the team behind CryptoPlanes. So they are consist of Vietnamese team. So of course, Lee Tran is the CEO and founder of CryptoPlanes and also CryptoCars. So with strategic and long-term vision, he has developed Crypto City metaverse, and the first expansion of the Crypto City metaverse is CryptoPlanes. And An Nguyen is the CTO, which is the Chief Technology Officer of CryptoPlanes. So he completed the duties as the CTO by keeping the CryptoCard system running smoothly. So I mean, guys, I think that the hardest part of maintaining a project, or the hardest part in any project is the maintenance, because maintenance takes a lot of time, takes a lot of money, takes everything, because if you fail on maintaining, okay, the game, probably it will be a dead game, probably the economy will be dead, and also no one will be able to play the game as well in the long term run. Okay, so this is everything that you need to know. So also Hype is the CBDO. So I think this is pretty much it, guys. So I hope you learned something from me today about CryptoPlanes. Also, do not forget, please, to subscribe into my channel. It is Crypto Addict here, back again with another and awesome updates from you guys, and see you on the next video.